Hello class 8. As we have completed up to chapter 3, today we will start new chapter. That one is the metals and non-metals. Children, you know all the elements are the building blocks of matter. There are 118 non-elements. On the basis of their physical and chemical properties, elements are classified as metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals physical properties and chemical properties today we will study. Now we will start the chapters materials, metals and non-metals. Examples of metals you can see copper, magnesium, iron, zinc, etc. are the examples of metals. And examples of non-metals carbon, sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, iodine, hydrogen, these all are the examples of non-metals. Now we will study about the physical properties of metals. There are many physical properties of metals like physical state, color, appearance, hardness, tensile strength. These all are the physical properties of metals. So first of all, physical state. Under the normal pressure, all matter except mercury are solids at room temperature. Mercury only is the liquid at room temperature. If you see the color of the metals, most metal except gold and copper are silvery grey in color. Copper is reddish brown and gold is golden yellow. You everybody know about it. Appearance, if you see the appearance of metals, all metals are shiny. The characteristic sign of metals is called metallic luster. So all metals have metallic lusters. Metals can be easily polished. So children, next hardness, that is also physical properties of metal. You have seen iron, silver, most of the metals are hard except sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium metals can be easily cut with a knife. So next is the tensile strength. Metals have high tensile strength. Metals are very strong. For example, iron can bear a lot of stress. That is why you all are use iron to build your building also, bridge also, railway lines also. These all are you are using iron. So malleability, it means that metals can be hammered into very thin sheets. Silver can be beaten to very thin leaves. Gold and silver are the most malleable metals. For example, gold is so malleable that even its small quantity can be hammered to extremely thin sheets without disintegration. So, this one all are the, you can make a very thin foil. Ductility means it can be drawn into thin wires. Platinum, gold and silver are the most ductile metals. We can beat them, be drawn into very thin wires. Conductivity. Children, you everybody know metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. Copper is the next best conductor of electricity. Next is this also density, also physical property of metals. Except sodium and potassium have high densities. Sodium and potassium have much lower densities. So next is the sonority. All the metals are sonorous, means it produces ringing sound. That's why in your school also you have seen bells is made up of metals. Next is the physical properties of non-metals. physical state of non-metals, if you compare with the metals, non-metals may occur as solids, liquids or gases at room temperature. But if you see in the metals, in the room temperature, only mercury exists as a liquid in the metals. But here, this all the three states, solids also, liquids also and gases. Next is the color of non-metal exists in many colors. It exists in the many colors. Appearance, they do not shine. So graphite and iodine are the only non-metals which have metallic luster. Next is malleability and ductility. Non-metals are neither ductile nor malleable. Non-metals cannot be drawn into wires and beaten into leaves. So, opposite of metals, this all are. Non-metals are brittle. That is, non-metals break into pieces when pressed hard or hammered, as you have observed. So, next is the conductivity. Non-metals do not conduct heat and electricity. That is, non-metals are insulators except graphite. Graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So children, density of the non-metals, it is usually have low densities and they are brittle. Diamond, which is formed of carbon, however, is an exception. Diamond is the hardest natural substance known. In the nature, diamond is the hardest. Tensile strength, non-metals have low tensile strength, that is, non-metals can easily be broken. You can break easily non-metals. Sonority, non-metals do not produce sound when hit with an object, that is, non-metals are non-sonorous. So children, go through all the paragraph, then answer these questions. Question number 1, 2, 3 are the short questions and number 4 is the long. What are metalloids? Name 2 soft metals which can be cut with a knife. Name a metal which is liquid in room temperature. State physical properties of metals and non-metals. 4 each. Okay children, good luck.